Hello everyone, this is Surya and this is a short tutorial on the image processing toolbox of MATLAB. This will help you start working with MATLAB's image processing toolbox. Okay, you use imRead function to read images just like this, and you use imShow function to display them. So this is the image with which we'll be working today. Okay. Yeah, there's actually one more function which you can use to view, which is imTool. This also displays the pixel info at the bottom of the top-up window. You get the RGB values and the pixel coordinate of where your cursor is. Okay, next I'll show you one function, imCrop of a comma. You need to enter x1, y1 and x2, y2 and 100, 100, 300, 300. This will crop the image for you, as you can see now. So you got the cropped image. So another function is imResize. imResize of a comma. You need to put the scale here. Let's take 0.5. Let's see, and you can see the picture has been scaled down. And next I'll be showing you one more function, which is imRotate, which takes the image, and the second parameter is the angle in degrees with which you would like to turn the image. The angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction, so you can see now. So the image has been rotated. If you want to display all the four images A, B, C, D in the same window, you can do this. Subplot of 2 by 2. Okay, and then the first image is A. You can see you have A here, and then subplot of 2 by 2 matrix, second position, imShow of B. Subplot of 2 by 2, third position, is imShow of C. And subplot of 2 to 4, 2 by 2 matrix, fourth position is D. So as you can see, you have 4 images. So this is how you display multiple images at the same time. You can find further functions by going to the help menu, and you have image processing here, and this will help you get started, and you have a lot of examples which you can try. Okay, now CLC is the command which is used to clear the window. Okay, now I'll start talking about one of the method which is called thresholding, which is used to separate a particular color from the image. Okay, now as you can see, each image is made up of 3 dimensions: the length, the width, and the third dimension, the length, the width, and RGB values, which is the third dimension. So you can look at the second. Okay, we'll be working with this image now. You can look at the red component of the image by doing this. You can see this part is bright, this part is more white, it has more pixel value. That is because this has more red. And you can do this. Now this doesn't have blue, so that is black, and these parts were blue, so they have become white now. So RG, and this is the third dimension. Okay, now let us start working with this. Let us take red equal to A is to 1 and blue equal to A of 2 and green equal to is 2, 3. Yeah, this should be fine. Okay, now I'll tell you about a new function, matrix equal to im pixel of a. So what this does is it opens a pop-up window and you can actually select points on this image, and whichever point you select is those pixel values, the RGB values at that particular pixel are stored in your matrix variable. So I'll try to filter this heart shape out. So I'll just be selecting this, and you can end up by double pressing a point, and yeah, so you can see here that I have the matrix variable here, and these are the values of each pixel. So if I want to separate out this color, I'll do this. So equal to red is in the range, it's more in the range 147. Okay, red is always greater than 147, and blue is less than 10, and green, okay, just a second, and green is also less than 10. Now you can see this image by that the object has been filtered out. Now you can see this problem here, that some pixels are not covered. So this is actually a hole in your pixel, which is very common for images which generally occur due to the non-constant illumination. So how you solve this is using a function which is called imFill, and you use it this way. Okay. You can see that the holes have been reduced here, and but still you can see there are still problems with this. The corners are not so neat. So what you can do is dwmorph of y2, I'll dilate this. I'll dilate this 7 times. So I am show by 3. So you can see this is a bit cleaner now. So this is how dilation works. There's another function called erode, and you can see it reduces the number of white pixels. Okay, now let us go into something. If you now in an image you can highlight some particular positions, but how do you get the properties of all these regions? That's using the function region props. Yeah, region props of by 3 comma, okay, just this. Yeah. Okay, this gives you a variable which gives the area of your image, centroid of your image, and the bounding box of the image. So you have a lot more functions which you can get here in the help menu. So these were just the basics. Thanks.